today I'm going out in Dubai to go and shoot with this, which is the 35-150 f2 to f2.8 from Tamron. It's raining in Dubai, like seriously raining. All of the photos in today's video, edited my presets. There's a link in the description, go and check them out. Have fun, and let's go get wet. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm just going to be walking around Dubai in the rain until it gets a bit darker later on. Just getting some shots around the main city parks and just kind of wandering and seeing where I go. I've currently got the 35-150 f2 to f2.8 Tamron on the camera. I'm just going to be looking around, seeing what I can get, and just enjoying this type of weather in Dubai. There is a green Lamborghini going through the frame. Might be able to get a top-down shot when he comes to the end. When it comes to the end of the thing here. And then we've got one of a Lamborghini. I am just in a car park. I've just walked into this car park and gone up the ramps and found this cool little lookout. So I'll keep looking around. If I can find more things like this, I will. And everywhere that I go, or I have been in Dubai, there's a link below for you just to go and check out. Click on it, it's a Google link, and you can see all of the spots that I've been to while I've been here. Yeah, this is quite a nice frame. And maybe let's not fall down a hole. Kind of like look down there, that shot, which is quite nice. I'm gonna have to lean out a little bit though. Very architectural, but we'll get some more shots as we go along. Tons of different things that we're looking for today. Street style shots, rainy shots, architectural shots. There's a guy down there with an umbrella. See if we can get them as they walk across. Where have they gone? They're walking. There they are. There's a dude like straight down. It's actually quite a cool shot. I mean, it is proper raining now. I mean, as opposed to not proper raining, but you know what I mean. It's actually raining quite hard. Go round. It's definitely a setup today. Got the Osmo Action 4, got the Insta360, and the R5. I mean, I'm already dirty. I've only been shooting for 2 minutes, and I've also cut my elbow, which is great. Good start. Okay, so there's a pretty cool shot here of the, because I'm on the walkway on the overpass. So if I zoom into 70mm, we kind of cut out the bars in front of us. We're at 400 per second, f2.5, ISO 250. So I've just crossed over the road. Well, the metro is either side, and this is like the walkway between the two. So I'm just walking to the other side because I think there's going to be better views looking that way, for example, towards the Museum of the Future, and then also the bridge as well on the other side. Cool, we'll have a look. It is definitely raining. Very moist. And everyone's hiding from the rain. I'm going to get the shot because it's pretty cool. And then again at 35mm, with the towers in the background, looks pretty good. But I'm going to get down to get the shot, just to give a bit of depth. Well, a different angle. You get like the raindrops and stuff on the floor. Car going through the frame, might add something to it. Yeah, it's good enough. I don't want to get too wet because I've got a long day ahead of me and I don't want to be walking around soaking wet. But that being said, we're definitely going to get some cool shots. There's a nice architectural shot I'm thinking about getting on the other side. There's this building over here which has some really cool patterns on it, which I quite like. So I'm going to try and get a shot of that. That's about right. There's a guy in the car in front of me and he's like, what are you doing? That's funny. See people walking towards me. Oh, it's bugging out. Didn't want to pull focus though, I don't know why. Dude on the bike. The thing is, it's not cold, so it's actually quite refreshing. Whereas in the UK, when it's raining like this, it's just, well, it's cold. So it's not nice. Whereas I'm just walking around in the t-shirt, happily getting wet, to be honest with you, but I just don't want to get too wet. That's the only downside. Maybe get a panning shot of the train.
You want the block? Come over there. You want to go back there,
Yeah, okay, thank you. I appreciate that, thank you so much. I know. It's refreshing.
Yeah.
It's nice.
Nice to walk like this. But
Yeah,
you should have your umbrella.
I'm gonna buy one. Thank you.
you.
Thank you. That was nice. The lady came, offered me an umbrella while she walked across. That was cute. The thing about Dubai in the rain is that it floods really quickly because the infrastructure just isn't built to, well, take the rain. So when it does rain like this, it's like it floods really, really quickly. Like the roads get straight away like a couple of inches of water on it. So it can be a bit tricky, but it's alright. Okay, so I'm just coming over here to see if I can get like a rainy shot of all the cars on the highway, because it's pretty cool. Oh, that's a vibe, man. What a vibe. That's so sick. I mean, there's so much, look at all this water. It's mad, but it's such a vibe. I wish I could get down to get a better photo, but it's alright, I'll walk along this way a little bit. Oh, I do love the rain. I do love the rain. Don't break my ankle. I do love the rain. Alright, what about this way? Oh my god, it is raining. Ooh, I can get a bit closer. Okay. Madness. It is fucking sick. Okay. This could be the most rain that I've ever experienced. I'm actually drenched. Like I can't even explain how wet that is. That is nuts, bro. Holy shit. Actual rivers flowing down the highway. I've seen it like on clips, like online, but I've never seen it in real life. That's cars going down the highway, which is no longer a highway, it's a river. Madness. Cool shot here with the dude with the umbrella. Oh, it is. Whew. I'm actually like, I can't get across how wet I am. I'm actually soaking.
You're taking pictures?
Huh?
You're taking pictures while it's raining?
Yeah. It's crazy, right?
Yeah, it's a long time it doesn't happen here like that.
It's mad.
Yeah.
It turns into like a river really quickly.
It happened 2015, 2016.
Really?
Yeah, and then with a few years doesn't happen. We said in the paper, we'll be back to 2015. 2 days non-stop raining.
Because I know here they create the rain.
That's much.
Yeah, it's a lot, I know, yeah. Yeah, the highway, it's like a river. Hey, good to meet you, bro. Have a nice day. Okay, right, I'm going to keep going down. I'm hoping there's another crossing because I want to go back on the other side. But I don't want to go over here. So... Oh, dude in the yellow! Yes! My man's getting a photo, I don't care. He's getting a photo. That looks sick. I need one of those yellow jackets. Should we get a yellow jacket? I need a yellow jacket. Mate, that's a sick shot. That's cool. I can't see because I mean, at least he's dressed for the occasion. I'm not. I'm in a t-shirt, but that's why it's funny. You know what I've just noticed? In the UK, when it's sunny, it brings out the best in people. Everybody's happy, everybody's loving life. Here, in the last 10 minutes, since it's been hammering it down, I've had more lovely interactions that it's raining, talking about the rain and how nice it is. I think here, the rain makes people happy. I do want to cross over. Where's the next place I can cross over? Don't tell me I've got to go all the way back the way I just came. Okay, so I'm going to go back over by the highway just for a moment because at 35mm I can get the bird in the frame. So I'm thinking crazy traffic, crazy spray with the rain, with the bird in the background. Might look cool, might not, we'll see. Should be able to get the bird between the two buildings. Let's have a look. Definitely not a frame I thought I'd be getting in Dubai, but that's pretty sick, man. It's pretty cool. I think I'm the only person right now in Dubai that's like, oh my god, I love the rain. The biggest issue with the camera getting wet at the moment is not actually the rain, it's the rain running down my arm onto the camera. So I'm having to like continuously dry it with my my t-shirt, which is also soaking wet. So it's a struggle today, it's a struggle. Okay, these are some pretty cool conditions. The sun's coming out now, still raining, but it's looking pretty sick. So let's see what we can get. I'm just gonna head over by the highway from this side before I go back over there and get some shots of people walking across the road and stuff. Okay, this is going to look pretty cool, I think. Oh, there's a guy on the moped. You can get a shot of an absolute psycho on a moped in this. So as you can see, the rain has stopped. And you get these really cool reflections now. So I'm going to manual focus, pulling through the puddle onto the bird in the background. Might be a really simple shot, but I quite like the way that these buildings are looking here because of the glow from the sun. So we're at 4,000th of a second. So we'll go actually f4 and we'll go 2,000th of a second. Nice simple shot of the architecture. And it looks really nice. So again, in Dubai, they don't have a lot of crossings for pedestrians. You have to like cross awkwardly like this and then walk back on yourself a bit to get back across this. It's a bit of a silly system when it comes to pedestrian crossings. You would think they would like install bridges every, I don't know, 200 meters or something to get across these big roads. But who am I? I don't know anything about buildings, but it's just what I would do. The light coming from that way looks actually incredible. So I'm going to go across the road because it looks better from this side.
That lighting looks so sick. Trying to get run over.
As you can maybe tell, I'm not actually in Dubai. This video was shot back in February, but obviously with the recent events in Dubai being absolutely insanely flooded, I thought I would post it now because it was relevant. During this video, I was using a 360 camera as well for a different perspective as a POV. Let me know what you think. Do you like that perspective? I think it adds a little bit of depth to the videos, and I'll be doing it more going forwards. In this video, I was using the Insta360 X3, just propped up in my bag. I will be hopefully, fingers crossed, getting the X4 to do a review of that. I'll be doing that in the next coming weeks or so. Like I mentioned in my last video, I have a series coming to this channel where basically I will be asking you to dictate the videos that I'm going out to shoot, and you can do that over on Instagram. It's not started yet, it'll be starting in the next couple of weeks, and essentially on my stories I will put up a box for a question, and you can just put in that box what you think I should go and shoot and where, and I will have a set amount of time to go and shoot it. It's a fun series. It's going to be good to just try something a little bit different on this channel. I'll still be doing street photography videos as well. That'll be a part of it. But yeah, make sure you follow me over on Instagram at Optical Wonder, and you can have a say in where I go and what I shoot. With all that being said, I hope you've enjoyed the video. All of the photos in today's video were edited in my presets. There's a link in the description. Go and check them out. There's a ton of them for sale, and there's some new ones as well. Create more, stress less, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace, love. Go shoot.